7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
Good morning, T-Birds. It's Mo.
And I'm Tyjahna. Today is Wednesday, January 16, 2019, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
The meeting for the freshman ASB senator election has been moved to next week, Wednesday, January 23rd. Applicants are still able to get the applications from Ms. Rudolph's room, 720. Do you like reading? Have you ever wanted to be a part of a book club? Well, now's your opportunity. Our school librarian is starting one of the first book. The first book is Dear Martin. Tahoma reporter Lana Nem has more.
Project Lit promotes the love of reading in schools and communities. They are hosting 2 book clubs this spring and hopefully more next year.
Mount Tahoma has just been accepted as a Project Lit community member, and Project Lit wants to increase access to culturally relevant books for teens and build communities through reading.
Dear Martin is the first book of many in the Project Lit book club. The first meeting is February 5th in the library.
Our first book is Dear Martin, and Dear Martin is about a boy named Justice McAllister who is arrested one night out of the blue, and even though he is out of jail pretty quickly, that moment lingers with him and comes into his school life. After that, he and his friend Manny are in a car and come upon an off-duty police officer, and shots are fired.
Anyone can sign up, and you can check out the book in the library. I'm Lana with Tahoma TV. Back to the day.
Speaking of Martin, did you know yesterday would have been Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s 90th birthday, and he has over 730 streets in the U.S. named after him, including Martin Luther King Jr. Way here in Tacoma. The Deaf T-Bird Club is doing a car cleaning and detail fundraiser today and tomorrow after school. They'll vacuum, dust, and clean the windows inside and out, all for $5. They're raising money for an upcoming trip to Phoenix, Arizona for the Deaf Academic Bowl. Stop by Minister Juma's auto shop after school from 2:30 until 5:30 for a good car cleaning.
Baseball and fast-pitch conditioning is today and tomorrow after school in the auxiliary gym. They'll meet from 2:15 till 3:15. Conditioning will last through February 14th. All athletes make sure to get grade checks into Coach Davis and Coach Thayer. Spring sports begins February 25th. Tacoma Community College is visiting Tahoma next week on Tuesday, January 22nd. If you're interested in applying or just want to talk to a TCC representative, then pick up a pass in the Career Center.
Get your yearbooks before the prices go up. Right now, they are selling for only $4, but the prices will go up to $50 soon. To purchase your yearbooks, visit yearbooksforever.com and search Mount Tahoma, and/or just see Miss Dell at the cashier's window. Don't forget to get your tickets for Tolo. The Tropic Like It's Hot, the tropical-themed dance is Wednesday, January 30th in the Commons from 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. And tickets are $5 with ASB, $7 without, and $8 per couple. You may also bring a guest that does not attend Mount Tahoma, but you'll need to turn in a guest form to Miss Mudd by January 24th.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Mo.
And I'm Tyjahna. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story. Have a great day, T-Birds.